Welcome to our channel. Today in our video we are going to see how to make a few curries that are rich in protein and low carb. Now let's get into the video and see how to make them. To start with, soak moong dal for about 10 to 12 hours. Here I soaked night before going to bed. Next day morning, spread on the kitchen towel like this and cover it and sprinkle some water. Keep aside and allow to sprout till next day. Moong dal is extremely light and high on protein, vitamins, minerals and essential amino acids. Essential amino acids are those that our body is unable to produce on its own. Our sprouted beans contain more of free amino acids and antioxidants. These antioxidants from the sprouted beans can neutralize free radical damage to cancer growth and also lowers LDL cholesterol. Also, sprouting reduces the levels of phytic acid. These sprouted beans promote weight loss by suppressing hunger. Since mung beans are healthy, delicious and versatile, consider incorporating them in diet. By next day morning, our sprouts are ready. Look how beautifully sprouted with loads of protein. Now add this sprouted moong dal to the pressure cooker. Add 1 cup of water and pressure cook until 1 whistle. Switch off the flame and allow it to cool. After the pressure is released, here I opened the pressure cooker. See how nicely they are cooked. Now heat the pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, tempering seeds and asafoetida, handful of onions and allow it to fry until the onions are translucent. To this add 1 chopped tomato and saute for few minutes. Now add 1 spoon of salt, half a spoon of turmeric powder and saute for 2 more minutes. Once the onion tomatoes are well cooked, now add our pressure cooked sprouted beans, half a spoon of garam masala powder, half a spoon of red chilli powder and give a good mix until everything combines well. And allow it to cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add shredded coconut powder and mix it. Now keep stirring for about 2 minutes on a medium flame. And add about 2 cups of water and cook covered for about 5 to 6 minutes. After 5 minutes, our curry is well cooked. Now add a handful of chopped cilantro and give a good mix. So friends, our healthy and delicious sprouted moong dal curry is ready to be served. This tastes very good for chapati or rice, whatever it is. As we are done with the first curry, let's move on to the second curry. To start with our second recipe, peel the carrots and chop them. Carrots are good source of beta carotene, fiber, vitamin K, potassium and antioxidants. Carrots are also high in fiber, so helps in weight loss and improved eye health. Now chop 2 green chilies also like this. Now take 1 cup of yellow moong dal. Wash with water and add 2 cups of water. To this add chopped carrots, green chilli and chopped tomato. Now add 1 medium sized chopped onion and 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, half a spoon of red chilli powder and a pinch of tamarind. Here I am taking all the ingredients in the same bowl. Now add 1 cup of water to the instant pot and place the bowl of yellow moong dal and vegetables and close the lid and pressure cook for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, our dal with veggies is cooked, so smash it by adding salt according to taste. Now heat the pan, add a spoon of oil and add 1 pod of crushed garlic, 1 spoon of urad dal, zeera, cumin, mustard seeds and 1 red chilli, asafoetida and fry them. Finally add a handful of cilantro and stir for about a minute. Now transfer this to our cooked dal and veggies. So friends, our healthy and delicious carrot moong dal is ready to be served with hot rice and ghee. As we are done with our second dish, let's move on to the third dish. Take half cup of chana dal, wash and add 1 cup of water. Now add 1 cup of water to the instant pot vessel and place the bowl of chopped bottle gourd. Above this, place the bowl of chana dal and close the lid. Pressure cook for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, heat the pan, add 2 spoons of oil, half a spoon of urad dal, chana dal, zeera, asafoetida, 1 red chilli and a bowl of chopped onions, and fry about 2 minutes until the onions are translucent. Once the onions are fried well, add half a cup of chopped tomatoes and stir well. Now add 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, salt according to our taste, and mix everything and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the onion and tomato are well cooked, add our pre-cooked bottle gourd and chana dal, mix well and cook for about 5 minutes. This bottle gourd is one of the healthiest veggies, high on water and rich in vitamins and minerals. It is also rich in dietary fiber, so bottle gourd is easy to digest and is also low in saturated fats and cholesterol, and thus promotes weight loss. Now coming to chana dal, also called chickpeas, are full of proteins, fiber and complex carbohydrates. Now add 1 spoon of red chilli powder, half a spoon of garam masala powder, mix well and cook covered for about 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, our curry is well cooked, so add a handful of chopped cilantro and give a good mix. So friends, our curry is very healthy, as a bottle gourd is a wonderful food for diabetic people, as it has negligible amount of glucose and sugar related compounds. Our chickpea is also equally good for diabetic people because they help to manage blood sugar spikes after meals. So friends, here are our low carb, high protein curries. Thank you.